Yeah!
Hi, Lingokids. Do you feel like drawing? Great. Me too. Let's draw something that snorts all day and likes to roll around in the mud. Lisa, do you know what it is?
Pig.
That's right. We're going to draw a pig. Time to grab a pencil and a piece of paper. Let's get started. Let's start with the body. Draw a big rectangle with curved corners. Good. Now for the face. Draw an oval. And inside the oval, draw 2 circles. Did you know that thanks to their snout, pigs have an amazing sense of smell? They can even smell food when it's underground. Above the snout, let's draw 2 more circles for the eyes. Make one a little smaller than the other so that we can have a nice squinty pig. Now, let's give our pig some ears to listen to the Lingokids songs. At the top, touching the outside of the body, draw 2 more ovals for the ears. Good work, Lingokids. Our pig is really coming along nicely. But wait, Lingokids, we're not finished yet. Our pig needs a nice curly tail. For this, at the other end of the body, draw a loop-de-loop that almost looks like a thick letter E, like this. Well done. Now our pig has a great curly tail. Have you ever seen a pig dancing? We have in the Lingokids universe. But in real life, they walk. And for this, pigs need legs and trotters. On each side of the body, draw little vertical rectangles, making an upside-down V shape at the bottom to give the trotters the right shape. Draw 2 on one side and 2 more on the other side. Looking good, Lingokids. And these trotters are made for running. They may not look very fast, but actually, pigs can run even faster than humans. To add the finishing touch, let's give our pig some patches on his skin by drawing some different size circles on the body. We'll draw them here and here. We're almost done. Time to grab your crayons. We'll need light pink, regular pink, fuchsia, and black. By the way, if you don't have all these pink colors, you can make the same pink crayon or pencil darker by pressing harder as you color. Let's go. Use the black crayon to color in the eyes and the trotters. Now, get the light pink and color in the body, the ears, and 3 of the legs. Use the regular pink crayon to color the pig's spots, the snout, the tail, and the one leg on the left side from the back of the pig. By coloring this leg slightly darker, we get a shadow effect. And finally, use the fuchsia crayon to color in the nostrils. We've just made our pig. Let's do an oink oink together to celebrate. Stay tuned for the next drawing video. Thanks for watching and drawing along with us. Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time.